First I learned 4 skills in English, and then I learned readings and special greetings in special days, and I also learned how to say yes or no, or how to give information, how to take anything from one, how to spell the names of 7 days of week, and I also learned some body languages like chords, very important, rock on, very important, etc. And I also learned how to show interest to anyone, and I also learn some conversation that will bring that is very important in our life, and at last I learned a talk show about the importance of learning English. So at first I need greetings, and if I meet anyone in special lesson, I need special greetings, and from level 1 I can learn the greetings and special greetings, and sometimes I need body languages when he cannot hear anything, or when I know when I
or disabled.
or disabled, when I say that that's very important, then I need body languages, and body languages are very helpful for any part of our life. So this is very important, and I also learn how to make conversation with each other. So sometimes we meet our friends, then we need to conversation to each other. So at that time we can use this conversation, and also learn a talk show about the importance of learning English. And this talk show will help us to create another talk show, another talk show in our life. And it will, when we also give give an exam of level 1, and that will help us to give exams in schools, in office, in a job. It has to be in everybody's life. Also want to say one thing, that Dhugu sir was very helpful for us. They teach us well. So I want to give many thanks to Mr. Dhugu sir for this help, and everybody please pray for me. And that's all.